Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Y'all can see, welcome to my bedroom. We're going to be shooting this video from my house right now, from my room. I wanted to try something different than the usual. I know you guys have probably seen a bunch of these videos all over YouTube by some other like car enthusiasts, YouTubers and stuff like that, where they do like rating my subscribers cars or Mustangs, stuff like that. This is going to be kind of the same, kind of different, not so much. I want to talk about, obviously you can tell by the name of the title, it's going to be about my top 5 or favorite Mustangs on Instagram. Well, it's going to be S197 edition, and I'm going to go ahead and keep it short, guys, and simple, and just get right into it. This is something that I've been wanting to do for quite some time now, and I actually want to do, depending how this video goes, and let me know, I need y'all's feedback on this. I want to do like a series. You know how on Instagram you guys have car battles and stuff like that? Well, I would want to do about maybe a 16 round, 32 round car battle. You guys send me in your submissions, and then we'll do a bracket and stuff like that, and I'll be the judge, and then winner will get, I don't know, maybe like $5-10 and I'll send it to you through Cash App. You know, I just want to be engaged with you guys, and I can do different versions of like the car battles as well. One of them I can be a judge, another one can be like non-car people judge y'all's cars, or just girls judge y'all's cars, stuff like that. I just want to you know, bring different content to the channel. But let's just go ahead and get started with the video, guys. I'm gonna try to be non-biased here. I have some V6s, some V8s as well, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with the first one right here. These are the top 5. This guy goes on Instagram by Miranda.13. I don't even know these guys. I haven't messaged them or anything at all, so I'm just gonna go ahead. This is just people I follow on Instagram. I follow their builds, super clean. As y'all can see, it is a 13 or 14, let me see, yeah, a bag 13, 6-speed 5.0. obviously has a little corn emoji, which means it's E85. You go ahead and open it up. Simple. You can never go bad, you can never go wrong with a black on black, you know, car. He has the Shelby front end conversion. He has a Shelby spoiler. He's on drags on the rear. I believe those are rotor forms in the front. He has a cowl hood. It's just, you can say like, well, it's just like any other blacked out Mustang. Well, I think this one is just well put together. It's not over the top. It's just really clean. The the Shelby bumper in the front just puts together. Obviously it's bagged. Let's see, what else do we got here. We got some roller shots. These are just some of the stuff, like the Mustangs that I like look up to in the car community. Y'all can see right here he's running the full rotor forms, and yeah, those are rotor forms because my wife's black V6 used to have those wheels. I regret setting those wheels. Actually, we traded in her Mustang with those wheels, so I do regret that right there. Let's see, his photography has a lot to do with this. These wheels I wasn't so much a fan of. He had these before. He ended up swapping them out. I believe, yeah, there we go. He was saying someone buy his wheels. He ended up going back to the rotor forms. And when it comes to black, I actually do indeed like the silver and black theme. It's kind of more of a clean look, and then when you have the black on black, it's more like a stealthy look. It just looks cooler, more aggressive. You can see this guy daily drives his car. It takes guts to go into what this guy did right here. Went into like, what is the desert, to the dirt, just for the pictures. So it's pretty crazy. You have a RTR deck lid with the RTR grill surround, license plate surround. This thing's pretty rare, and he has the quad tips. You can never go wrong with quad tips either. Yeah, you're gonna see a bunch of these cars maybe look kind of similar, but I just feel like it is just well put together. It's just really good. And that's his Instagram. That's Mustang number 1. They're in no particular order, guys. Number 2 right here, this is a V6. This is an S197. This is from 05 through 09. I don't know. Let's see. It just says half bagged, wide body. Oh, there we go. 06 V6 Mustang. And this, I believe, is a custom paint job. I don't know. It looks kind of the Windville blue, but just a bit different. It hits different, man. It looks really nice. It's wide body. Obviously V6, so V6 gang right there. He has, this is my favorite hood, the Cervini Ram 4, I believe that's what it's called. You got the true fiber wide body, which at one point I would want to do to mine, but I think it's well done. I'm not a fan of the tire lettering. That's just me. It looks good. It looks clean on the car, but this looks really good. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the wheel setup, but other than that, the car, it doesn't take away from the fact that the car's a really good looking car. This guy's always working on his car, always doing things to it. He was running without a hood for a while. It's just really crazy. We got a custom spoiler, so just a little bit different. Let's see what else we got here. He's half bagged, so I'm guessing from the front. Yeah, he's bagged in the front. I don't know why he's not bagged in the rear. It looks pretty good. Gotta support the V6 community. I mean, I have nothing to pick with this car. The interior, for being an 05 through 09, for being an 06, I'm not a fan of this hood. Looks really clean, real modern. He has a carbon fiber console. I don't know what steering wheel this is. He's got like LED accents all around, so it kind of modernizes the interior of the car, because those years the car looks kind of like kind of old, kind of boring. I mean, mine does too, but these little things are just what makes it look a lot better. I have thought about getting these mats. It's like a cover, just again makes the car look newer, fresh, and I mean, nothing you see, something you don't see every day. Yeah, man, the color again, real nice. I believe it is custom painted, and real cool, real clean. Looks nice. Number 3, guys, go ahead and check them out. Sky, the S197. Let's see, number 3, we do have this one. By far is my favorite. Like, if there's one of the Mustangs I look up to, it is this guy right here. 5 with the 5_O, and it's a 2011 Coyote on steroids. Just wow, just freaking wow. You mean, you usually have your modern Mustangs, then you have like this one. I mean, it's well said. Coyote on steroids, looks a lot different. You got the wide body as well. I mean, not the wide, yeah, I think he did have the wide body. Yeah, they got the wide body. He's got another Serini hood right there. Looks really good. And custom spoiler. I think the newer taillights are better than these. I think these are the first generation ones. He's got quad tips there. I think this is the same color. Yeah, the same color that I got mine. I mean, you can see stock, and then you see the modded one is just wow. Look at the paint. Look at the splitter. We got the tow hook, the gold accent. I'm a fan of gold, especially with my color on the car. It looks really nice. I mean, if I have goals and expectations for my car, this is what I would want my car to look like. I mean, this is like the end goal. Once it's there, it's done. Like, there's nothing else that I think you can possibly do to it. It's just completely finished. Look at that. I mean, you can just see the before and after. It's just crazy. Yeah, I mean, it deserves to be inside a car show like that. This is showroom quality, showroom material, just well put together. Look at that rolling shot. It's got some splitters with some gold accents again. The Shelby spoiler. Well, yeah, he had a custom one. I guess he used to have the Shelby spoiler now. I mean, then it's got the Roush louvers, the window louvers. I believe that was a custom badge in the front. Yeah, right there, gold badge. Just really well put together. I mean, he had it wrapped silver, but I believe just the red just is so good. And there you go. Expectations. You believe you would have a bunch of girls after you with your badass car, but in reality, you have a bunch of guys after you with the car, sliding into your DMs asking you stuff about it. But I mean, let me know if I'm wrong, guys, but this has to be probably top one in my list, like ever. Let me know what you guys think on that. But just look at that one, well put together. I mean, fight me, agree to disagree, but I'm pretty sure I got more agrees and disagrees on this one. For the next one, guys, we do have Deepa_litter, and this is a Shelby, I believe. Yeah, this is a Shelby, wide body Shelby. Look at that, it's just beautiful stance. It's got, again, the Hoyser tires. Hoyser, I think that's how you say it, in the rear. You know this guy is talking about business. Look at that, blacked out again, murdered out. Those matte black stripes are, I'm such a fan of. Like, they look so good. Subtle, but you obviously can tell they're there. And they just, when the light hits it like right on, you can tell the stripes are there, and it looks really good. You have, again, oh, but this is a Shelby, so you have the Shelby front end. You do have those, I've been wanting to do that with my headlights that I have right now. Those halo with the RGB on the LED strips as well. The daytime running lights looks really good. You got LEDs on the front fogs. Let's see, what else do we got? I thought this was a carbon fiber fender, but no, it's not. He has Shelby down here. I guess it's the intercooler. Looks really good, really clean once again. All blacked out. This is a murdered out Mustang, and it just looks beautiful. It's a Shelby, so I mean, you can't take that away from it. It looks really nice. Looks really meaty. simple but not so simple, if that makes any sense. Yeah, look at that, it's just beautiful. And it's bagged, wide body. I don't know how much horsepower this thing is pulling, but I'm pretty sure it's some hefty horsepower, man. Oh, I remember why I was following this guy, exactly right here. He had a 2012, all right, yeah, 11 or 12. It was really clean. I was a fan of it as well. The guy knows what he's doing. Obviously he likes his black Mustangs because he got a Shelby in black, and you can see, I mean, he does a great, spectacular job of what he does. He knows how to mod a car. Looks clean. But there you go, Deepa_litter. Go ahead and check him out. And last but not least, guys, another V6. Oh god, and this is like number 2 on the list. I love it. 106. He is part of the Cali Creaming crew. Another black Mustang, but this one, it's just not wide body. It has that, I forgot what that brand's called. It's like Shirokai, or honestly I don't know. It's like one of those Japanese wide body kits, and this is the best wide body kit in the market, but it's also the priciest. It is $3,000. So if you have the $3,000 to put down, this is the kit for you. I mean, I'm probably gonna go with the true fiber because I don't have $3,000 just laying around just to wide body the car, but it's worth it. I mean, it's so worth it. Let me see if I can find a good picture with that wide body. Let's see. Oh, this one is not. This one was a different wrap, but just look how well put this wide body kit is. It's really, really good. There you go, Shirokai. That's what I believe I'm saying it correctly. Shirokai. Looks really, really good. Really pricey, like I said, but the fitment is perfect. And I mean, you do have the true fiber kit, and it adds like 1.5 inches, but this thing just like puts the whole thing together. It just looks really, really good. But back to the car, guys. He has a full kit, which has I believe it comes with the wing, with the rear fenders, the front fenders, and I think that's it. Yeah, and the front fenders have these vents on it, super aggressive. And then you have the car paired up with chrome wheels, and I'm not such a fan of chrome wheels, but just with this car, perfection, guys. This guy knows what he's doing as well. Look at that, just nice. This is the same guy. I don't know if it's the same guy. I think it's one of his friends, again with the same wide body kit, but looks really, really nice. A V6. I don't know if it's supercharged or anything. No, I don't think so, but I mean, well put together. I like the wheels. I like the wide body kit. You can never go wrong with the black color. Super, super nice when clean, but when dirty, guys, it is a pain in the rear. I mean, especially, I mean, if you don't have a garage, good luck. If you have a garage and it's gonna be garage kept, well, you're perfect, man. But look at this. It's super, super clean. This is number 2 on my list. Let me know. You know what? Let me go ahead and rank them. Number 1 for sure. This one right here, the 50 and the 5_0. Then we have number 2, 106. Then I would say Dipper Litter, and then Sky, the S197, then Frank Miranda. That's how I would place the top 5. Let me know what ranking you guys would put them. No disrespect to you guys, I don't know any of them, but I mean, you guys come across this video, all your whips are clean, man. I mean, all those cars are goals. I would want to have my cars clean, as in good conditions as that, with modded like that. All of you guys know what you're doing, and props to you guys. But I just wanted to make this video, guys, just a bit different than the usual video where I'm doing installs or car shows and stuff like that. There is a big car show coming up, so expect a video, God willing, coming up in about a week or 2. I need to get the car prepped for that as well. I was trying to make a crazy move on the car, but it just didn't happen. 1, I've been real busy. 2, I just wasn't able to get in contact with the guy. But hopefully by the end of this year, I will have it. This is an exterior mod. I know I said I was going to focus on performance, which I still am. I actually got something in the mail. We're going to go ahead and install it soon. But this, I just feel like I need to put the car, set the car apart from everybody else, especially since I'm going to car shows again. So I want the car looking a little bit different. And I think I was going to do something that was going to look super, super good. Just set it apart, but that didn't get to happen. I don't think it'll be ready because the car show's this Saturday. I'm currently filming this on Tuesday. So I mean, you never know, it might be done, it might not. I highly doubt it. But yeah, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe if you haven't. Let me know if you guys are interested in a series like this more often. I can try to do this once a month, and like I said, the car battles, or I can do rating y'all's Mustangs as well, or just, I know I'm just trying to figure out different content for you guys. So if you guys did enjoy this, again, like the video, guys. I'll catch you all on the next one. God bless.